You probably know what type of video I'm making from the title. So I got my little Zoomer kitty here. It's your first time seeing her. It's charging right now. Charger's on, her eyes are red. So I have this dog book that goes in their dogs. But if you rather think of it, it mostly has really good things, like good names for your dogs. And I'll show you. So it's called Name Game, and it has a bunch of really cute names. And I'll show you the names that I like, and comment down below if you like that name. But I'm not saying it's the end of the video. Jelly bean or licorice. Cocoa or sugar. Or little Google. Or little patches. This is cute paisley. Or lace sleeve or velvet. Or buttons. I like those ones. Little muffins. That'll be cute. Oreo. Oh, she's white and black. That's in little Oreo. Cookie. Or brownie. From far away, her looks like a little brownish. Maybe rainbow or midnight or yeah. I like the things. Joyful places. Paris. That'll be cute. A little peanut. That'll be cute. Catchy characters. Hermione. From little Harry Potter. She could be little Hermione from Harry Potter. Her eyes are still red. What about the coloring? Pinky, sandy, indigo. Blackie will be cute. Red hot drinks. Duchess will be cute. Just for fun. What about little man? Sounds like DOG, no. Okay, in the description, I'm going to put all these names, and you comment down below what her name should be. Kitty cat. And then that's what I'm in for. It's not the end of the video. Well, technically it is almost. I think I will just keep her name Hermione. So what's Harry Potter and I like the name Hermione. So it's the end of the video. My kitty almost fell down. So bye guys.